چیت تقریباً 45 منٹ چلی، جس میں سے آخر کے 10 منٹ میں بنتی بات بگڑ گئی۔ اب آپ کو بتاتے ہیں کہ آخر بات چیت بحث میں کب کیسے تبدیل ہوئی۔ دراصل اوول آفس میں ٹرمپ اور زلینسکی کے ساتھ امریکی اپ راشٹرپتی جے ڈی وینس بھی موجود تھے، جنہوں نے زلینسکی کو صلاح دی کہ جنگ کو کورٹنیتی کے ذریعے ختم کیا جانا چاہیے۔ کورٹنیتی سنتے ہی زلینسکی کا پارا چڑھ گیا اور انہوں نے روس پر سیز فائر کا النگھن کرنے کا آروپ لگاتے ہوئے پوچھ ڈالا کہ آخر امریکہ کس کورٹنیتی کی بات کر رہا ہے۔ زلینسکی کے تلخ انداز کے بعد ماحول پوری طرح سے بدل گیا اور پھر ٹرمپ بھی کود پڑے۔
In 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel, we signed ceasefire. Ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him with gas contract. Gas contract. Yes, but after that, he broken this ceasefire. He killed our people and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the President for trying to bring an end to this conflict.
Have you ever been to Ukraine that you say what problems we have?
I have been to.
Count one.
I've actually watched and seen the stories, and I know what happens is you bring them on a propaganda tour, Mr. President. Do you disagree that you've had problems bringing people into your military? And do you think that it's respectful to come to the Oval Office of the United States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
A lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless.